In today's fast-changing world, businesses face an unpredictable supply chain landscape. Unexpected disruptions can cause delays, inefficiencies, and rising costs. But innovation holds the key to resilience and long-term success. At Flex Global Services and Solutions, we harness the power of end-to-end integrated solutions to optimize supply chain performance, reduce costs, and accelerate time to market. From global integrated operations to real-time data visibility, our solutions give businesses the flexibility they need to adapt to dynamic market demands. We offer intelligent planning and vendor-managed inventory, AI-driven demand forecasting for precision inventory management, configure-to-order, kitting, and late-stage customization, omnichannel fulfillment with real-time transportation management systems. With real-time analytic for demand sensing, we anticipate market shifts, reducing lead times, eliminating inefficiencies, and optimizing shipment density. Our autonomous inventory management systems ensure products are where they need to be exactly when they're needed. After-sales service is no longer just support. It's a competitive advantage. Our spare parts logistics solutions ensure predictive maintenance, rapid fulfillment, and minimize downtime through machine learning-based spare parts forecasting, automated restocking and reverse logistics, integrated warehouse and transport management systems. Supply chain sustainability is no longer optional. Our circular economy solutions maximize product value while reducing environmental impact by extending the life cycle of every component. AI-driven repair diagnostics for L1 through L4 component recovery, advanced refurbishment and sustainable materials harvesting, proprietary CO2 impact analytics for supply chain transparency. With next-generation warehouse management systems and real-time supply chain control towers, our customers gain complete oversight of global operations, ensuring automated inventory tracking and demand-driven restocking, optimized routing and last-mile delivery, predictive analytics for risk mitigation and performance improvement. At Flex Global Services and Solutions, we bring together best-in-class in-region services, sustainability stewardship, and product lifecycle innovation to help businesses stay resilient, responsive, and ready for the future. Together, we can build smarter, more sustainable supply chains. Together, we can create the extraordinary.